In this video, I'm going to show you how to set an unattended access password in AnyDesk so you can connect to a remote device without needing someone there to approve the session every time. This is especially useful if you want to access your home computer, office PC, or a remote workstation anytime, even when nobody is at the keyboard. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the AnyDesk app on the remote device you want to access. This is the computer that you want to be able to connect to later without manual approval. Once AnyDesk is open, look for the Settings menu. Depending on your version of AnyDesk, this may appear under Access or Security, so don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. Click into that section to open the Access settings. If the settings are locked, you may need to unlock them first before you can make changes. This is an important step because AnyDesk protects remote access settings to prevent unauthorized changes. After the settings are unlocked, find the Unattended Access section. This is where AnyDesk lets you create a password for remote logins. Click the Set Password option. A password field will appear, and this is where you need to enter a secure password that you'll remember. Make sure it's strong enough to protect your device, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Once you've typed in your password, click Apply to save the changes. This tells AnyDesk to store the unattended access password on the remote device. After that, your remote computer is ready for password-based access whenever you need it. Now, when you connect from another device, AnyDesk will ask for that password instead of requiring someone on the other end to accept the session manually. That makes remote support, file access, and unattended work much faster and more convenient. Before we finish, it's a good idea to test the setup by trying a connection from a second device to make sure the password works properly. If it doesn't, go back and double check that the settings were saved correctly and that unattended access is enabled. And that's it. You've successfully set an unattended access password in AnyDesk. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick AnyDesk tutorials and other helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.